If your year 2025 and other years never went well into your life, you failed in many things that you were doing, and you even failed your children. I know some of us and some of the parents out there, they just wanted to see December passing by because of the financial problems that we had, the financial problems that you had in you, and you didn't manage to do things for abantwana to keep them happy. And if this was your year to feel the pain, if this was the year that you never enjoyed and that you were not even satisfied of, this was not the end of time. No, with the coming year, it's for you. The coming year, you need to stand up. You need to fight for yourself. You need to stand up for yourself. You need to focus for yourself. You need to do things that you're supposed to do, and you need to focus on your dream. You need to do like things that you were supposed to do this year and you failed. You need to repeat them and make them to be successful. Make it to be possible. Anything is possible in this life. Don't ever throw the towel away. Everything is possible. The pain that you have in the past year, it will never be back into your life. If you do pay focus, and if you believe in you, if you believe in yourself, if you believe in your dream, if you believe in what you do, if you believe in your work, if you believe in creating you yourself and making the best out of you, there's no one who will make you. You will have to make yourself. You will have to stand up for yourself. You will have to be that person that you're supposed to be. Believe in yourself. Be disciplined. This is the year. Changes are there to come. And your children will be so much happy this year. You will make them happy. You need to know, sometimes each and every season, each and every year, not everybody afford to keep the kids happy. Not everybody affords to buy clothes or buy food or what. And it wasn't only you. Don't cry. Just pay focus. Make changes. And if some other people just went away from you, don't even want them back. This is the new start of you. This is the new beginning of you. And do it for your kids. Hope you do the best. Hope you feel the best. Hope you focus on your dream and respect your work. Believe in yourself. Believe in whatever you do. Believe in whatever you touch in order to be good. Believe in every dream that you had. Believe in everything that you're supposed to wear and see your life in, because of you are that. And then if you keep on listening to people which when you cannot do things, then you will fail. This is your year. Use this 2026 to be the year of success, the year of joy, the year of happiness, because of you need to know which God has always something for you. He has a purpose for you. He has something for you, and you never know which that thing is when. This is your year. This is your year. So stand up and work hard. Be disciplined this year. Pay more of discipline to yourself and focus on you. Build up yourself. Be the person that you're supposed to be. And don't listen to haters. Never ever listen to haters. Haters will never want to see success from you. You will have to stand up for yourself, stand up for your success, and fight hard for your dream. This is the time. Now, this is your time. This is the time for you to do the best and to produce the best out of the best. What doesn't happen in human beings, it does happen in God. Believe in God. All the best.